Hello everyone. Remember the RedMagic Esports Tablet Pro launched last September? Good news. Today, the more powerful and user-friendly RedMagic Gaming Tablet 3 Pro has arrived. Let's skip the unboxing and get straight to the main event, taking a look at the device itself. The color we have is a very calm and elegant one called Blade Transparent Night Black. It's a very long name, and its overall color scheme is on the black side, and the texture on its entire back uses a process similar to Sandblast. So on the back, you can see and feel that sandy frictional texture. Did you hear that? Then, the most eye-catching part of the entire back is this transparent window. It runs across the entire horizontal back panel. And in here, there are some circuit boards, and on the right, you can see a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. I guess it's a model. They can't possibly expose the circuitry directly. On the right are two lenses with what looks like a flash in between. So this whole small transparent window should be a decorative model. Then, in the middle here, centered, is a large RedMagic logo. It uses an intaglio engraving process, so when you touch it, you can feel that it's recessed. The entire back design is similar to RedMagic phones, with a low-key yet flamboyant style and gaming attribute. Now let's look at its sides. Its middle frame and back are stamped from a single piece of metal. This unibody molding process looks better and more natural. Its edges have some curved transition, so it doesn't feel sharp when you hold it, and the grip comfort is pretty good. On the top and bottom, it has two speaker cutouts. Then on the top left is a power button. Now let's look at its right side. The design on the right is also quite simple. In the upper right corner is a volume key, and below it is a RedMagic button to activate gaming mode with one key. In between is a microphone hole. Then on the left, there's nothing much to see. It's just completely flat with nothing on it. Its overall design is very minimalist. I quite like this kind of design, not so flashy. The bottom part is interesting. The position of this Type-C port is different from many other tablets. It's not centered, but placed on the upper side. This has a huge advantage. When we play games and charge at the same time, the data cable won't get in the way, but gamepad users might have a complaint. With hardware, the Snapdragon 8 Elite with LPDDR5T and UFS 4.1 Pro storage combination can be considered the most powerful tablet. Of course, it is also powered by the Red Core R3 Pro gaming chip, which supports 2K plus 120Hz super resolution and super frame rate, improving both image quality and fluency. The familiar Ice Magic cooling system with a larger internal space than a mobile phone makes the heat dissipation more extreme. After looking at the specifications, let's start with Genshin Impact. The 30-minute running score of the RedMagic Tablet 3 Pro was 60.9 frames, and the average power consumption was 6.5 watts. After the test, the body was only 38.3 degrees, and the screen was as low as 34.4 degrees. In addition, its heating source is in the center. When held horizontally, it avoids burning your hands. It can be seen that even with the image quality improved to 1080p, this load is still very easy for RedMagic. From the frame rate graph, you can see that RedMagic occasionally has a little frame drop, which will probably drop to about 53 frames. Its 1% low frame rate is relatively high, reaching 52 frames. From the frame drop, the style of RedMagic Tablet 3 Pro is to respond in real time. It will release performance according to the actual load. The CPU frequency and usage will be adjusted in real time. Of course, I also hope that RedMagic can eliminate these tiny frame drops. In the more demanding Honkai Star Rail test, RedMagic's performance is even more impressive. The test scene is the golden hour running. The in-game resolution is 1080p, and the overall image quality is very high. This load is no joke. RedMagic ran out an average power consumption of 10.8 watts, and the frame rate also reached 60.2 frames. Even the 1% low frame rate has 51.5 frames, and the frame rate curve is even straighter. To be honest, among the devices we've tested, basically no mobile device can achieve this 1% low frame rate. There are very few that can exceed 40 frames. It can be said that the RedMagic Tablet 3 Pro is currently the mobile device with the strongest performance in Honkai Star Rail. However, it can also be seen from the power consumption that the chip's heat generation is definitely not small. After the test, the highest temperature of the chip area was 51.3 degrees. Fortunately, it is relatively far from the handheld area, so the hand feel is not so hot. It is mainly the degree of warmth. We also looked at the GPU temperature, which was 75.2 degrees on average, and the GPU usage was not maxed out, with an average of 80.9%. These two GPU curves are relatively flat, which shows that RedMagic can maintain this performance for a long time. The performance is indeed very strong. Because of its excellent performance, we also tried 2K Honkai Star Rail. We got a full resolution of 2400 by 1504 by split screen. We ran it for a few minutes and found that its power consumption directly soared to 15.8 watts. GPU usage was 100%, and GPU temperature rushed to 96 degrees, but the frame rate was only 46.6 frames. This shows that RedMagic has not tuned for the situation, and the difficulty difficulty of handling this load is very exaggerated. It is not recommended to force 2K for daily gaming. In addition to these two games, the RedMagic Tablet 3 Pro has also been deeply optimized for many games, such as PUBG Mobile, which supports 120Hz. In addition, it also supports X-axis linear motor, charging separation, super resolution and super frame, built-in PC emulator, and it is the first to have a new touch chip, which can achieve a 2000Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate. The performance of the stylus touch has also been optimized to some extent. Alright, now let's look at its front. Because it uses an OLED screen, its black bezels are controlled to the extreme. The whole device looks just a tiny bit longer than an iPad mini. The screen-to-body ratio is 89.1%, providing a wide field of view while keeping the body size well controlled. Plus, the screen is actually stretched horizontally. When you play games like Honor of Kings or PUBG, your field of view can be much wider. It's like having a field of view cheat. Don't be fooled by its 9-inch size. Its overall body size is actually closer to an 8.8 or 8.7-inch tablet. If you're wearing casual pants with large pockets, it can fit completely in your pocket for carrying around. It's like a large-size phone. I have to emphasize its black bezels, because this is the first time I've seen a small tablet with such narrow black bezels. I'd estimate with my naked eye that its width is about 4mm, and it has an equal-sized design on the top and bottom. Overall, its front view is quite comfortable and harmonious, much better than the massive black bezels of the iPad mini. I personally think its front design, among all small tablets, should be top tier in terms of looks. Plus, it uses a high-quality OLED screen, so the overall display effect looks quite stunning. Compared to many LCD tablets, I prefer the colors of OLED tablets because they are richer and more vibrant. LCDs are a bit plainer, but LCD has one huge advantage, which is eye protection. With a global peak brightness of 1100 nits and a contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1, it's not only great for gaming, but also a great tool for watching videos. Of course, the most exciting part is the refresh rate, which has been directly increased to 165Hz, making racing games even smoother. Currently, games like Genshin Impact are all supported at 165Hz. You should definitely try it out after buying it. After the display is good, the touch experience is equally important for an esports tablet. The RedMagic Tablet 3 Pro uses a brand new Mind touch chip. Combined with this high refresh rate screen, it can greatly shorten the response time, providing a smooth touch experience and effectively reduce the probability of accidental touches. Despite its compact size, the 8200 mAh battery provides excellent battery life, and it is also the fastest charging small tablet in this size, reaching 80 watts. Finally, let me give it a summary. I think this RedMagic Tablet 3 Pro is currently the most perfect esports tablet. The 9-inch screen, size, lightness, and weight are all very suitable, whether it's for carrying or for user experience. In terms of performance, it's definitely the ceiling at the moment. It can handle all large-scale games, and you can also play PC emulators. The experience should last for 2 to 3 years without any problems. At the same time, it is also very comprehensive. It has a good peripheral experience for daily drama watching and office work. Okay, that's it for this video. If you think the video is helpful, don't forget to like it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.